But unfortunately right now abantu abakhona kumaskandi njengamanje abadumile kumaskandi bayawubulala umaskandi because they want to be, even if umgqumeni nomtshengiseni babedisana engomeni, babe ngeke beze
Maskandi features from you.
No, until they change the way abenza ngayo. I'm not gonna be doing any Maskandi songs because collaboration ye Paris ingilethele nje
Abawuvala umlomo ngenkulumo kaLwah ethi umthandeni noKhuzani bawugombela kwesawo.
Siyawamukela uThe hamba phambili ikhuluko TV. Cela ukuthi lokhu subscribe, share, comment, like. Asihlangane khona. Kanti makubingelela lesikhathi ekubingelela yena mathinta acabisa intombi zimqobela amehlakha abanye baqamela imali ethi bazi ngena kwethu.
Sawubona kuphi nakuphi la kufuneka khona umbukiso njengamanje ukubingelela yena mathinta acabisa intombi zimqobela amehlakha abanye baqamela imali ethi bazi ngena kwethu. Ngabo usuku lakho lokuqala la ngicela wenze kulungele upress subscribe button share video comment ukhuluna konke subscribe by camera khamba usenze ukuthi wena uqala uthola notification mase kufakele video hamba phambili mlaleli. Basale bemangele mangabe uLwah echaza ngobudlelwane bakhe negcwama elisha noma ngobudlelwane bakhe obumenze wawuzonda ukusebenza noMaskandi. Ubuziwe umuntu obinterview ukuthi lisakhona yini isasasa noma eyoyibona yini erecorder noMaskandi. uLwah ubese ethi cha angizukwazi ukurecorder noMaskandi anytime soon ngoba ke bonke abalandeli bakaMaskandi sebahlukahlukene. La sibala khona abalandeli bakaKhuzani, sibale futhi abalandeli bakaMthandeni. Okuwukuthi ucule nomthandeni abakaKhuzani bayakuzonda kanti ke mawucule noKhuzani abakamthandeni bayakuzonda. Indlela achaze ngayo uLwah uthena ekwenzeni kwakhe eParis akazange azaname noma akaze kuthole ukwenama ngokuphelele njengamanje ngoba ke i-challenge abhekane nayo ukuthi ke abantu bebeza ngobunzima kuyena noma bemthosa ubunzima enkulumeni yakhe. uLwah ubese kuveza ukuthi cha yena uMaskandi wekholelwa kona kakhulu futhi uyafisa ukuthi uMaskandi uye phambili njengoba ke kusaliwa nezinto eziningi ekuyizona beyicindezele uMaskandi. Kodwa ke mawukuthi usaphethe abalandeli abafana nalaba noma abaculi abafana nalaba angeke azakwazi ukuthi aphinde afake isandla sakhe. Kube sekubalula ukuthi ke abalandeli bakhe nabalele endimeni kaMaskandi kodwa ke balele iSouth Africa yonke noma ke umhlaba wonke uyawazi ukuthi ulalele umculo wakhe. Ngaphandle ke kokumoshela isikhathi sakho umntwana esekhaya siphethe ufakazi njengeGuluva TV senze lokulungile usubscribe ushare phinde comment ungakhohlwa ukulike emva kwevideo bese uyakhomenta.
Feature and collaboration, but not so much. Ngoba it made me think ukuthi oh, this actually says a lot about influence iMaskandi enayo in your career, in your music. Did you grow up listening to a lot of ushilo ukuthi umkhulu bekamalela Dr. Babulala, but other artists iMaskandi, was it big when you were growing up?
uMaskandi umculo omkhulu kakhulu eKZN futhi umculo engifisa ukuthi ube mkhulu kakhulu emhlabeni wonke jikelele ngoba ngathini uyi-foundation yethu thina eKZN. But unfortunately right now abantu abakhona kuMaskandi njengamanje abadumile kuMaskandi bayawubulala uMaskandi because they want to be the kings of uMaskandi rather than making umculo uMaskandi ukuthi kube yiwona oba inkosi ngoba lo mculo lo as much as thina si diverse senza i-afro pop senza in thina uMaskandi siyawuhlonipha kakhulu. So isifiso sami so lento lesiyenza ukuthi ama fans elandele abantu abawuculayo lo mculo lo more than ukuthi belandele umculo ukuthi uthini. So leyo nto leyo for mina iyawubulala uMaskandi because nama fans uMaskandi they do not respect ama artists acula uMaskandi noma ama artists that end up collaborating with uMaskandi mase kuthiwa ena sekuba khona ukungazwani noma singasaboni ngasolinye yabo. So ngaleso sikhathi leso because you know you can never ukuthi ungaboni ngasolinye nomuntu and then it stays like that forever. Siyayilungisa thina izinto and then kusala fan base yakhona isikhuluma izinto eziyindelelo. So into engiyifisayo ukuthi abantu abasemakhaya abalalela uMaskandi behloniphe lo mculo lo kuthi uMaskandi ngoba thina sinesifiso sokuthi uMaskandi uye as far as it can because uMaskandi unengoma ngiyathemba ukuthi abantu baphesheya bangathanda ukubona lo mculo kaMaskandi but if sizoqhubeka kanje kuwona uMaskandi uzobulala uMaskandi.
And uMaskandi has made and built a lot of dreams.
Yeah.
Ngoba ama-artist amaningi afana nawe and other artists I've made from KZN bayasho ukuthi, I mean, mawulalela ubaba uphuze ekhemisi and Dr. Buselaphi. Ingane zoma imithente
like iwona umculo lo esasiwazi ukuthi even if umgqumeni nomtshengiseni babedisana engomeni babe ngeke beze bedisane bekhipha ukuthi okay wena nje babedisana ngokwengoma like any other hip hop artist like how hip hop artists would do.
Bekuyileyo beef yeMaskandi.
Yebo, but eyenza umculo kaMaskandi ukuthi ube mnandi ukhule undlondlobale njalo.
Are you looking to do more, I mean, considering the collaboration esikhuluma ngayo no Dr. Buselaphi and success in Paris?
Yeah.
Can we expect more Maskandi features from you?
No, until they change the way abenza ngayo, I'm not gonna be doing any Maskandi songs because ngiyayibona ukuthi ibuye ifake ne-career yami engcupheni because they have no respect. Ama-fans ami awekho based on Maskandi.
Right.
They are based on everyone. So if abantu bala engisuka khona bengakwazi ukuhlonipha umsebenzi kugcine sek-affecta nalabo abantu abathanda umsebenzi wami abangaphandle abangazi ukuthi sekwaba yini usiko likaMaskandi yabo. So cause mawenza ingoma nalo munye ama-fans alo munye awakuthandi.
Right, yes,
yabo.
yes.
So leyo nto leyo igcina nje isikhoza i-conflict unnecessary. So for now angeke ngize ngithanda ukuthi ngiyibandakanye nokwenza ingoma kaMaskandi unless I do the song alone.
Did you experience any of that from the collaboration near Paris?
Yeah, your collaboration near Paris ingilethele nje indelelo eningi engangijabulisanga neze engenze nganga-enjoya nale moment time ezenayo iParis.
Oh no.
So I'm just not happy at all about it.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Ngoba, I mean, le ngoma did so well. I think Karamanj is sitting on like 8 million
13
streams.
million.
Say 8 million on
13
Spotify.
Or on Spotify, yeah, I think it's 9 million, and then on YouTube it's 13 million.
And it's like no Maskandi song has done
ever
this.
reached that.
Yeah, so to hear Uguti, it's not a moment that you are enjoying.
No.
Is sad. I'm so sorry to hear that. I think Tina Bantu Bangaphandle obviously asazi.
Yeah, abantu bangaphandle abazi
Yeah.
ngakho ngithi I don't want to continue with it because abantu bazogcina sebe exposed ekuthenini leyo culture leyo ikanjani ekaMaskandi, but what we want ngoMaskandi is just something great, and I feel like abantu should change the way that they feel ukuze benzele uMaskandi ukuthi uqhubeke kube into enhle, because I think ngikukhombisile lokho ukuthi uMaskandi can go far.
Sure,
By collaborating with
yes.
Uputo Mdala. And
Yes.
yeah.
That you did. And sure, so much wisdom in what you're saying. I almost said ukjula okungaga, but I feel like I would have...
Right.
Right? Oh my
Yeah.
God, thank you. Yes. Ngoba, gule show bengikutshela ngayo yasho ingoma that I was working on.
Yeah.
We've had older artists who came to the show, and this is the same sentiment that they shared.
Yeah.
Ukuthi iMaskandi from inkathi zabo when they were doing well to what it is now, so much has changed.
Yeah.
And they wish that it can go back to that, where it's just about the music
Yeah.
and not who's king of Maskandi. Norma, you know, who
Yeah.
thinks they are the king of Maskandi.
Yeah.
So I really do hope Guti that day will come soon.
I hope that it comes soon so that we can just be great and be able to express ukuthi umculo wangakithi siwuthanda kangakanani futhi siwuhlonipha kangakanani. Siyafisa ukuthi ukhule futhi udlondlobale.
So I just realized ukuthi ngikubheke emehlweni ngakutshela amanga aluhlaza ngealbum yakho.
Okay.